Good morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
We are fine.
How do you do?
How do you do, madam?
I am fine. How is your morning?
Our morning is fine.
How is your morning?
Our morning is fine.
It is time for maths. It is time for?
Math.
It is time for maths. It is time for? Maths. Can we sing? One little, one little, two little, three.
Little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers of boys and girls. Ooh-ah, ooh-ah, shooting arrow. Ooh-ah, ooh-ah, shooting arrow. Ooh-ah, ooh-ah, shooting arrow. 10 little fingers of boys and girls.
Who can remind us what we talked about in math on Friday? Did we learn math on Friday? Did we learn math on Friday? Yeah? Tulifanya math ndio? What did we talk about? Writing numbers in?
Words.
Writing numbers in?
Words.
Writing numbers in words. And we talked, when we write numbers in words, you must write your word and you spell very well. Very well. For example, I have, this is number?
9.
Can you spell the word 9? N I N E. The word is? The word is?
9.
That's number?
14.
Can you spell the word 14? F O U R T double E N. The word is? The word is? 14. For example, I have that number. Which number is it?
68.
Number?
68.
Can you spell the word 68? S I X T Y E I G H T. The word is? The word is? Very good. Now today, can you sit down? Now today we want to go to another topic, that is addition. That is?
Addition.
That is?
Addition.
When we talk about addition, it means putting together. Putting?
Together.
Putting?
Together.
When we add, we put together. And when we put together, the number becomes bigger. The number becomes?
Bigger.
If I have my fingers here, how many fingers are here?
5.
How many fingers are here?
5.
And how many are here?
5.
I put them together. How many will I make?
10.
I will make?
10.
Can you count? I see there are 8. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Or there are 10. Sindio? So I have 5 fingers here. I have 5 fingers here. When I put them together, they become 10. 10. They become? 10. That's what we want to do today. We want to talk about adding numbers by counting on. Can you say like that? Adding
Numbers by counting on.
Yeah?
Adding numbers by counting on.
Adding numbers by counting on. Counting on means from where you are standing. For example, I am here. I am? Here. We talked about counting forward and backward. Sindio? So when I'm here, I want to count on. It means I move this direction. Are we there? Like counting forward? Forward. And we said, when we count forward, the number becomes bigger. The number becomes? For example, I have here, this is number 20. This is number?
20.
This is number?
20.
I want to move forward 3 steps. 3? 20 sindio? 20?
21, 22, 23.
So the number will become?
23.
So you see the numbers become bigger from 20 to 23. That is increasing. That is? The number is becoming bigger. The number is becoming bigger. Now we want to talk about adding numbers, counting forward. Like, I have, which number is that?
31.
That's number? That one. I add that number. Which number is this? number is that? 4. So I have that 1 plus that 1 I add 4. That 1 I add no, I have that 1 in my mind. That 1 iko hapa, si ndio? Yes, I want to count forward by counting on by 4. 1 2 3 4. Si ndio 4? Si 4 ndio hiyo? Aya, I put these ones here. So I have number 31 in my mind. Number 1, that 1 is in my mind. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So my number will be? My number will be? Will be 35 like this. No? Yeah? And I said you use what? You use what? You use your ruler. And you rule your number 1 like that. You finish. For example, that was my number 1. My number 2. I have, which number is this? 53. Number? 53. I want to count on by 7. This number? So I have 53 plus, I want 53, I want to add 7. I want to add 7. You can come and do for us. We are going to count how many sticks? How many sticks? 7. 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These ones I put here. So I have number. The first number is 53. I want to count on by 7. 53. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 59? 59? 60. Who can come and write for us number 60? Who can come and write for us number 60? Yes, you come. Not in the words, but a number. Is that okay? That's the number? That's the number? Let's appreciate him because he has written very well. Flower, 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 angusha. Again, flower, flower, angusha. Good. We have another number here. This number? Number? 29. I add. You can come and do for us. You come and do for us the way I've shown you. Come. Pita huku. Unatuonyesha we have sticks here. Kai. Sasa counting on. Can you use the sticks? How many sticks should I count? 5. So that's the number. 29 add 5. 29. He's okay, si ndio? Amepata answer, si ndivyo? Yes, he has gotten the answer. Clap for him. Flower, 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 angusha. Again, flower, flower, angusha. Good. Hakuna msichana? No, it's a girl. You come and do, one girl to come and do for us this one. One girl to come and do for us this one. Come. sticks, bana. The sticks are here. Can you use them? Can you show us how you get the answer? So you have a number? So 14? Hey, amepata answer, si ndio? That is the answer is 17. We clap for her. Twende hivi. Aya, tuende mara moja. Tena. Yeah, very good.